fire into the blue unknown. Feel the fire burning, heart made of stone.
Kilala kasi namin siya bilang, pero aside doon sa mga sinabi ko, na pinakamasungit, mahilig bumukhang ka, patakuhin, mahilig sumigaw, mahilig mag-utos. Kilala din namin siya bilang isa sa pinaka-generous na as panganay, nandun talaga yung desire niya na makapagbigay sa family members niya. So, I want to welcome the one and only Ate Getty. As we all know, kaya naman tayo nandito is para i-celebrate yung milestone ni Ate Kelly. And I just want to greet her, congratulations. And I'm happy and proud of what you have become and where you are right now. And I'm still praying na lahat ng desire ng heart mo, especially yung pagiging generous sa taong kapaligid sa'yo, still ma-fulfill mo pa. Because I know you have still a lot of desires and dreams for every one of us, not only for yourself.
I'm very, very, very proud kung anong narating mo na. Thank you so much. Kasi minahal mo na gusto mahal ako.
You are a blessing to Palay. We are blessed to have you. If anything happens, good or bad, you are only to them.
Before ako yung nagbe-bless ngayon, everyone here actually became a blessing kung bakit ako nandito. So, pero firstly, syempre, sino nung nagbigay sa atin ng blessing? It is God. So, I just wanna really thank God kung paano niya pinupad yung answered prayer ko. Kasi 6 years bago ako napunta sa position na to para maging blessing sa inyo. So, I also want to thank God for using my boss, Joe and Mel, kasi grabe yung provision, yung blessings na sinashare nila sa akin na every birthday ko, every anniversary ko, nagbibigay talaga sila ng pera para mapakain yung family ko na kayo. Ganun talaga, ka-blessed ako sa kanila. At kung paano gamitin sila ni Lord na blessing sa akin. So, I just want to thank everyone na umattend. Mabilis the party ko. Everyone here actually made a difference in my life. God has used and still using you as a channel of blessing to me. Sinasabi niyo na ako yung nagiging blessing niyo. Bago po talaga ako naging blessing. Kayo po muna. And I really wanna appreciate everyone. And I just want to honor you and say I appreciate what everyone has done for me. Kasi kung palipat-lipat din po ako ng bahay, and then yung schooling ko, sinasagot niyo po before. Ngayon po, ako naman po yung magre-return ko sa mga pinsan ko. So, pag nagbibigay po ako, masaya po yung puso ko na nagbibigay ako. Kasi sabi nga ni Lord, you cannot give what you don't have. So I have the capacity to give that to everyone. I also want to shout out my mom and Tito Joy na wala dito. Pero they were a part of what I am today. And also what I am today is because of everyone here as well. Thank you and I love you and I just appreciate yung pagpunta niyo po ngayon. Thank you.